Welcome back, everybody. Today we are checking out this new Overfinch Land Rover Defender. Super cool, built overseas, custom like Mansory or Brabus, but for Land Rover, and I think you're going to enjoy it.
These Overfinches are crazy, man. They're crazy, crazy. So most people don't know this, but Overfinch is like a bespoke builder for Land Rover. So imagine a Brabus for Mercedes. Overfinch is that equivalent for Land Rover, Range Rover. Bespoke automotive, their quality is exceptional. I mean, it's absolutely phenomenal. Now, keep in mind that this company is based in Leeds, England. It's actually overseas, it's a UK company. So to be able to get this vehicle customized and brought over here, this vehicle is about $250,000 for a Land Rover Defender, right? Absolutely gorgeous. So very bespoke, very spec'd. And this is actually going to be getting a Steck Dyno Mat, full matte paint protection film on it. The client has multiple vehicles that we're going to be protecting as well. An amazing fleet. I believe he has 2 other Shelby Raptors that have just come in and a couple of other bespoke vehicles as well. But Land Rover partnered up with Overfinch and brought out some absolutely amazing bespoke quality in these vehicles. Let's take a look inside.
Looks awesome.
It's phenomenal. The stitching, the steering wheel details on it. And I would say that this is a little bit of an underplayed Overfinch. Some of the more exaggerated Overfinch specs that we've had before are just a little over the top. Again, just like Brabus, just like Mansory, absolutely beautiful stuff. But man, they actually make their own parts as well. So if you notice on the back tire portion, that is a custom Overfinch tire cover. And of course you have the Overfinch details, bespoke details on the wheels. These are custom Overfinch wheels. Only comes specific on this vehicle. As you can tell, the inlay here, absolutely beautiful Overfinch. So again, much like Mansory, much like Brabus, these guys bring another bespoke level of customization to this stuff that you really would never see. But because I'm an extremely detailed person, I'm a little irritated right now. I see a dent right there and a little bit of lineup that we're gonna have to take care of, okay? You see this dent? It's right in that area.
Oh, snap.
Nice dent. Guys, it doesn't matter if you brought me a brand new vehicle that was $250,000 or if you brought me a Toyota Camry. I treat it like it's a Rolls Royce for a reason. We have a reputation to maintain here. Quality is the biggest deal. People come here for peace of mind, and that's the name of the game. Total transparency. We're actually about to take pictures of this, call the client immediately and let him know there's a little issue that we did not cause, but we want to make you completely aware of it, right? Protects everything and keeps everything totally transparent. So
Detail oriented.
very detail oriented. People are bringing us their babies, right? These are the way we see our line of work is these people traded in X amount of hours of their life to be able to afford these things. These are not needs, these are wants. So we treat them as such. I mean, we give them the bespoke treatment here. But we're also going to treat everything like it's a Rolls Royce. We want you guys to have the same type of treatment that billionaires get, right? We treat everybody the same. So you notice here, right? On this, how it's very, very flush. Everything looks really, really good right there.
Yep.
So we're gonna have to point that out to them because guys, this vehicle has less than maybe 300 delivery miles on it. So if that's the case, and that came straight from England like that, so we'll have to report that to the client. So
Good thing you caught it because you need to let the clients know.
and then right here, as you can see here, a little bit right there as well. If you go back and forth, Rainer, you'll be able to see. There's a little dent right there.
Oh, I see.
To me, what this seems like is that the clips are actually a little too tight underneath and they pushed it in. And that can cause that. You'll notice a couple of our videos here in the future that you'll be seeing, there's gonna be a Tesla that we're gonna be working on, and almost every Tesla that comes in, we have to do some work on the hood. Because the latch itself goes down a little too tight, it causes dimples on both sides of the Tesla emblem. And if we didn't work on 7 to 10 Teslas a week and we didn't have the expertise and the knowledge that we have behind this, people would be pointing fingers at our company. Hey, you pushed it down too hard, you caused damage, things like that. And that's no fault of the client. It's just we're the first company that's worked on their brand new vehicle, right? So there's going to be some finger pointing there, but there's a reason why we document everything and let them know we're going to fix that issue for you, but it definitely wasn't caused like that. So clips can cause this stuff. You see right here, little warp here, little warp there, very, 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 very noticeable on stuff like that. So again, we just want to point it out, make sure that we're not held liable for it. And of course, we're going to try and fix that and get that back to the client so he doesn't have to be inconvenienced any further. So
Can we take a look inside the back here?
absolutely. It's gorgeous.
Real subtle. The doors are really nice.
It is really subtle. Now, keep in mind, this is a very underplayed Overfinch. Some of the other Overfinch packages that we've seen can get really out there. I'm talking suede Starry Night headliners, same exact Mulliner stitching on the doors, even the carpets with Mulliner stitching, the exhaust notes and things like that change, suspension, wheels, tires, aesthetic packages. Overfinch really goes, you know, to the next level, just like Brabus and Mansory. So it's pretty incredible.